Meditation is peace. Meditation is tranquility. Meditation is silence. Meditation is enlightenment. Meditation is health. Meditation means strength. Meditation means oneness. We want oneness, we want enlightenment, we want health, we want peace, we want tranquility. Therefore, we want meditation. When we talk about Buddha, that's why we are here. Buddha means meditation. Buddha means buddhi. Buddhi means meditation. Where there is no meditation, there is no buddhi whatsoever. There is no intelligence whatsoever. Buddhi is the quintessence of intelligence, collected from holy times. And that buddhi is precisely meditation. When we say Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, we actually say meditation Sharanam Gacchami. Because what Buddha represents is meditation. The moment we think of Buddha, we think of meditation. The more you do meditation, the more buddhi you will have. The more buddhi you have, the greater Buddha you are. The word Buddha comes from buddhi. Buddhi is not material intelligence, it is spiritual intelligence. Where there is no spirituality, it is not called as buddhi whatsoever. It is spiritual intelligence which gives you peace of mind. It is spiritual intelligence which gives you health of the body, physical system. It is spiritual intelligence which gives you meaning in life. It is spiritual intelligence which gives you oneness in life, connectedness in life. We all become connected, one organic being, through our spiritual intelligence. If there were to be no spiritual intelligence in us, there would be no health in our physical system, physical body. If there were no spiritual intelligence with us, there will be no peace of mind whatsoever. If there were to be no spiritual intelligence, we will all fight with each other. We will do things which we should not do, we ought not to do. And we will be omitting things which we ought to do, which we need to do, should do. It is spiritual intelligence, my dear friends. It gives us everything. The Sanskrit name for spiritual intelligence is buddhi. We get the buddhi from various sources. We get buddhi when we observe the nature. We get buddhi when we observe all the animal kind. And we lose our buddhi when we are with the humanity. Humanity is buddhiless. Whereas all the animals are buddhiful. The humans have to learn from the animals. Humans are interacting with humans and losing their buddhi. Buddhi is obtained not from general humanity. Buddhi is obtained from enlightened humanity. You have to go to a Buddha to have an inkling of Buddhi. In the absence of that, everybody thinks that he is acting according to Buddhi, according to intelligence, but no whatsoever. Where there is no meditation, there is no Buddhi. Gautama Siddhartha got his Buddhi from his meditation. He could not understand anything. What is an old age, a disease, a death? How can you understand where there is no spiritual intelligence? Where there is spiritual intelligence, you understand everything. And that spiritual intelligence comes only from meditation, my dear friends. Therefore, when we say, Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, these 4 days, we are taking the refuge of meditation. Sharanam Gacchami, I take refuge. In what? In Buddham. What is Buddham? Dhyanam.